That's the aggressiveness.
Yeah, and we have to credit both Lozano and Ariola for this. Kasi nasiset up pa ni Fifi ng maayos her decision making, but at the same time she's making, or Jody is making good passes.
Oo,
Good
yung
first
first ball.
passes to the setter.
Yung first ball nito ni Lozano, yung nagdadala kay Ariola ng malaking space, enough para makita niya kung kanino niya ba dadalhin yung bola. Ngayon na isa-set up niya ng ayos dahil sa mga magandang first ball. And may mga chances din na si Lozano mismo yung nagsiset na ng second ball at nabibigay din niya ng maganda.
Yeah, look at that dive by Lozano. Second set begins. Joy Perez with a wind-up. And there's a check. Oh no, net touch pala ang tinawag dito sa Lady Alta. So EAC gets the first point here in the second frame.
And yan yung palagi natin pinag-uusapan yung net touch. Dahil sa sobrang taas ng energy, hindi mo napapansin minsan na natatamaan mo. Kahit na feeling mo wala eh. Feeling ko hindi ko siya na-touch eh. Pero gumagalaw yung net and nakita ng mga referees natin.
Nakatutok yung mga opisyalis natin. Back set to the other side. Gemaline Minor puts it down from the opposite side.
Beautiful setup galing kay Ariola. Looking for that middle muna, yung quick. And then, nung naibalik sa kanila, hinanap kagad niya yung outside niya.
So this young EAC team will be tested today. They haven't been in this type of situation before.
Again, this is a transition team.
Yeah. And again, surprises by EAC in the last two games. Shai Omipon denied. So Toriado gets a kill block that was missing for EAC in that first set, and a huge part of their game. Itong blocking.
I mean, Toriado got 10 kill blocks during game number 1, and that played a big part para dun sa panalo nila against Perpetual. I mean, if you can help her go online as early as now by looking for her dun sa mga quick sets and then setting her up for good blocks, that's gonna be really good for EAC kasi magkakaroon sila ng ibang look para na pwede nilang ibigay sa Perpetual to confuse them as well.
But this is now a different Perpetual team. Every EAC point, Perpetual makes sure na mabilis yung bawi nila. Look at that single coverage. Single block by Geraldine Palacio. Denying Diana, who was in a different position right there. 3-2. Perpetual overtakes early. Razonable. Nandun si Minor. Omipon is checked again.
Napakagandang block galing dito kay Ramos. Binigyan pa niya ng isang magandang tingin.
And this is her way to boost her team's confidence.
At syempre, inaangat niya yung energy ng EAC. Kasi medyo nakulangan sila nung set number 1.
Yeah. Oh, what a set. Jumping or leaping. Back set coming from Ariola. Hindi naman siya binigo. Ito ni Almeñana. 8 points already for Sai Almeñana. And this is the scoring machine that we are familiar with in Season 101. A misreception by Perez will result to an ace. Back-to-back points for Sai.
I mean, giving up points like this as early as yung sa score natin sa second set, sa 5-3 pa lang. Naiipon kasi yan eh. And minsan, kung maaga kayo magbibigay ng mga errors and ng points sa kalaban, bumababa yung moral. Diba? So, that's gonna be really tough para dito sa EAC to pick themselves up in performing dun sa higher level na nire-require sa kanila nitong game na to. Again, this is a do-or-die match.
First time we've seen this play, Mareniel Ramos with a slide. That's what we didn't see in the first set. Some variation in EAC's offense. Lute tracks it down, Perez. Omipon. Joy online. So maybe this will get EAC going. 5 points already para dito kay Joy Perez.
Ganda ng set ni Lut papunta sa kanya, no? Medyo off balance pa. Nung binigay niya yung second ball, papunta kay Joy.
Alex, diniretso yun kay Lozano. Umipon! Scores. So that time, Prince, she challenged Ramos's thumb.
Oo, kanina kasi binigyan siya ng ano eh. Ng medyo madiin na tingin eh.
Pinantiyan niya dito.
Oo, sabi niya, sige, challenge natin yung bulak mo.
6-5. Pero palitan lang tayo. Wow! Joy Perez. That had to feel good.
Oo, medyo tumagos sa kamay eh. If you're gonna look at the power, tignan mo yung palo na to. Isang kamay lang yung inaabot eh. Kulang yun. Kung ipambablock mo yun kay Perez. Kasi alam naman natin kung gaano ka-powerful din, syempre, yung attacks nito ni
Gugulat ako sa mga cheers
Ako
natin
din
sa
eh,
likod.
oo. Pero I mean, it's a good thing. Diba? Kasi nakakatulong yan sa mga players natin eh. Nakakataas yan ng energy, ng moral. And you know, pag may ako personally, pag maraming nanonood, maraming nag-cheer, ang sarap maglaro eh. Kumbaga, kung yung energy level mo usually or normally nasa mga 80-90%, kapag sobrang daming nanonood, sobrang ingay, nag-elevate yun nang hindi mo napapansin eh.
Adrenaline, ano?
Oo.
7-6. Perpetual ahead. Menor! A good reaction from Dayanan. Perez, ready yung blockers. Back to Joy. Off speed this time. Easy up. Kinawid ni Fifi. Loot to the opposite. And it'll stay in play. Loot choosing Toriado. And she sends it away. So, looks like EAC is back in their groove here.
What? That's a one-on-one play. Oh. One-on-one kay Toriado and kay Enrico.
Have to applaud the decision-making of Loot that time. Kasi talagang dinadala niya ako sa walang blockers. Fifi over to Menor. Bounce back to Perpetual side. Soft touch. And it'll work. They'll take it. Enrico will score the point as we reach Perpetual's 8th point. When we return, we'll listen to Aaron D's report.
Our score is 8-7.
Nagbabalik tayo here in the Strike Gymnasium in Bacoor, Cavite for the NCAA Season 101 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Martin and Prince, after failing to take set number 1 in this crucial do-or-die matchup, I got a chance to speak to one of the heavily relied on rookies of the EAC Lady Generals in Ashley Toriado. And sinabi nga niya sa akin that they already expected this Perpetual Lady Altas team to come out swinging hard in this crucial matchup. Pero dinagdag nga naman ni Ashley that just because they lost in that first set doesn't mean na dapat mag-implode na sila at this point in time. And for the rookie, she says that they need to focus on what worked for them in their first matchup. And that was them enjoying the game. Not a lot of smiles from the EAC Lady Generals in that first set. But Ashley tells me na dadoblehin pa nila yung effort nila in this second set and they will look to turn the tide after this one. Martin and Prince?
Thank you so much, Aaron. That's from Ashley Toriado. Dapat hindi sila panghinaan ng loob dito because they are the underdogs. And, you know, they're looking to slay the Giants here. Great floor defense by Razonable, or rather by both teams in this long rally. Perez. Menor. Buhay pa. Itatawid. Here comes Perpetual. Enrico sends it to an open spot.
grabe yung naging depensahan ng parehas na team natin doon sa rally na yun. Makikita mo yung sense of urgency ng
Yeah.
bawat isa na kunin yung first ball, iangat. And if hindi nila ma-set ng ayos, ibalik sa kabila at tumipensa ulit.
Grabe yung quality ng rally na yun.
Oo, sulit yung mga pinunta ng mga viewers natin, yung mga fans natin na sumusuporta dito sa dalawang school na to na nandito ngayon,
Yeah.
bumiyahe papunta dito para manood.
Pero mabilis na bawi mula dito kay Ash Toriano. He was the one who talked to Aaron earlier regarding the state of the team. That's a good sign for EAC though. You know, despite being a young team, not rattled, hindi na panghihinaan ng loob, tuloy-tuloy lang. We'll see though if they can get a set from Perpetual. What a first ball coming from Jody. But it results to a kill block by Toriado with the lingering look afterwards.
Oo, sa tingin ko yung interview na yun ni Aaron kay Ash, napaganda pa. Parang mas na-realize ni Ash ngayon na kailangan niya na mag-perform pa. And syempre, enjoyin yung laro. And yun yung nakikita natin ngayon dito sa set number 2 natin.
Wow, service ace from Joy Perez to take over the lead. So, this is excellent targeting by Perez.
China-challenge nila talaga yung libero natin.
First ace for Perez for a total of 7 points so far. Ariola, EAC's net defense has been present. Pero ito, babasagin ni Sayal Meñana. Benol. Almeñana. Like our tally right now, 10 points apiece yung mga teams natin. 10 points na rin si Sai Almeñana. This is an overpass. An easy put down, but Enrico touched the net.
Would have been a good play, pero nahagip lang ng konti yung net.
A freebie at that. Oh, was it Enrico or was it Almeñana?
No, I think it was Almeñana's leg.
Almeñana,
Yung
yeah.
leg, parang yung leg yung tumama.
So 11 to 10. You see the numbers from Ash Toriado. Emphatic hit from the middle by Jai Enrico.
I love the challenge na binibigay nitong parehas na team na to sa parehas na mga middle blockers nila. No? Imagine being the one covering the outside, the opposite, and then the middle. Tuwing didepensa ka, lilipat ka para pumunta dun sa posisyon na makakuha ng magandang block. Tapos ikaw pa yung hahanapin sa opensa.
Here's Dayanan. Out of system para sa EAC. Sa kabila naman. Lute chooses Dayanan again. Pero ready. Yung dalawang blockers. Marinel Ramos. Tried. Ooh. Miss hit coming from Omipon.
Hirap nun, Mark. I mean,
Hirap, yeah.
ikaw yung didepensa dun sa lahat ng klase ng block eh. Kahit sandalin nung setter yung bola, dapat nandun ka eh. Tapos on offense, ikaw rin yung decoy. Kasi pag pinadadaan sa yung bola, kailangan nandun ka sa taas para kung biglang ibigay sa'yo, nandun ka.
Sai. Ball slowing down. This is gonna be an infraction on EAC. Net touch. So both teams have committed errors. Table tayo. Diba? Dikitan tayo sa second set. Sai with a sharper serve. Ramos nakabuelo. This is tight. Challenge in the middle of the set. Or in the middle of the rally, rather. Was there a touch on the net? Against Perpetual, we'll see. Yan ang ita-challenge dito ng Emilio Aguinaldo College. You see the Perpetual players. I think this is the first time this year na sila yung pinakamalapit sa venue. Diba? From Las
Oo,
Vegas to Bacoor.
Kaya naman makikita mo naman talaga yung support.
All out. Meron tayong bands off dito sa likod natin. Ayun o. Nasa likod ni referee yan. Pakita niyo ulit. Isa pa.
Siyempre, pinapakita muna nila yung nire-review,
Oo
di
nga,
ba?
eh.
Kailangan
Okay.
pakita mo muna yung nire-review eh. So, may ano yung dance-off.
Ito yung play na kinwestiyon ng EAC.
Uy, meron
Good
nga.
call. Good call. Net touch against Perpetual.
Kailangan nila yung point na yun eh.
So a successful challenge by EAC. They're back in front.
And that was a mid-play challenge.
Tinigil na agad. So Alex Razonable. Serves here. One of the two graduating players ng EAC. It's her and their primary setter, George Lute. De Andres forced to set up Perez at the back. Omipon. That one slowing down. Perez. Ariola. Omipon. That's what she can do. A certified scorer. Shai Omipon.
Galing, napakaganda ng setup nito ni Ariola sa mga teammates niya. No, hinahanap niya kung nasan yung middle blocker nitong EAC and looking for the attackers na hindi aabutan ng depensa.
Miscommunication para sa EAC. Menor was denied. Chance ball para sa Lady Generals. That set is too tight. But was there a check? There was none. They'll challenge this one. No choice but for a swipe out para dito kay Joy Perez. Second straight challenge for EAC. We'll see if this will go through. Dahil masyadong dikit sa net yung bigay sa kanya doon. So she had no choice to hand it. Okay, maybe now we can show the activity right behind us here.
And this is the energy that we want, ano?
Yeah.
Every game, kung meron tayong mga ganitong klaseng fans and energy na dinadala dito,
Yeah.
yan yung mas nakakatulong sa mga players natin to perform on a higher level. Kasi iba yung pressure na nabibigay niyan eh.
That was definitely a check. That was definitely a touch. Puntos yan. Para kay Joy Perez. EAC back in front again. It's been a seesaw battle.
Oo, and will they be able to, you know, to grab onto this lead and to maximize this lead?
Yeah. Yan yung kailangan ng EAC, some separation at least. Hard serve by Ramos will result to an opportunity on their side. Yun nga lang tinawid ni Lute. Menor sends it away. Jemaline Menor. This is an important point para sa Perpetual, not allowing EAC back-to-back points. Perez, good first ball. Toriado, sumabit. Now Perpetual surges ahead. 15-14 is the tally.
If EAC wanna be in this game, kailangan nilang ma-address yung mga miscommunication nila. It's been happening both on offense and on defense. Yung kung sino yung kukuha ng first ball, kanino nila dadalhin yung set, yung play nila. Medyo struggling sila doon sa part na yun. And on defense naman, medyo nahirapan silang basahin kung ano yung ibibigay na offense ng Perpetual.
Yeah. Even their floor defense is taking a hit right now. Perez! Wow! Give her the right height. And she'll pound that ball. 9 points already for Joy Perez. Going down the line. Because she knew that it was a taller
And pinalagpas muna niya yung dalawang
waiting.
blocker eh. Pinalagpas na yung dalawang blocker bago niya pinadaan doon sa labas ng kamay.
Tabla tayo ulit. Menor!
Binawi agad.
Laging may sagot si Gemaline Menor. Timeout muna tayo. Magbabalik po kami.
Set number 2. Our score is 16-15 in favor of the Perpetual Mustangs.
Welcome back. We are greeting the members of the Tourism and Ledipo office here in Bacoor City. This is Pearl Ramos and Aiza Obias. Maraming salamat po sa pagtanggap sa amin dito sa NCAA Volleyball. Enjoying the game. Also are the members of the Bacoor Tourism Office and Ledipo City Information Office. Summer in Bacoor is getting hot with the Bacoor Summer Getaway Tourism Campaign, Bacoor Street Dance Competition, Bacoor Drum and Art Parade, and Drill Competition, and the Bacoor Festival 2026, featuring 50 of the best marching bands of Bacoor. This March 27 at the Bacoor Gymnasium, a free concert featuring Marco Sison and Ray Valera, and visit the Women's Month Bazaar at the Bacoor City Hall main lobby if you guys want to go. Meantime, back to the action. 2-point lead para dito sa Perpetual Lady Altas.
Oh, back-to-back errors para dito sa EAC.
Not the time to make errors if you're EAC. You're trying to catch up here. Oh, Jody Lozano. Binuenas. Dun sa play na yon.
And like what they say, ang masipag, malapit sa swerte.
It's now a 5-1 run in favor of Perpetual. Kaya nagpalit ulit ng playmaker si Coach Kirk. Dequilia is back in the contest. Dequilia sends it to Dayanan. Lefty push will not work. Jody forced to set it up. Dequilia with a reaction. And the joust at the net was won by Sai Almiñana.
Napakagandang basa ni Almiñana doon, ano?
Timeout, EAC.
Ano ginagawa natin? Wala lahat. Para ka hindi marurunong maglaro. Hindi mo pati timing, pati bola, hindi niya nakukuha. Ibibigay mo lang, pinasok kita, ibibigay mo lang kay Kara. Hindi na mo pumapalo si Kara ng ganun eh. Ang bola ni Kara, medyo mataas. Binigyan mo ng shot. Papalo ka ng shot.
19-15. Tama naman, malayo pa. But they have to make a run now. Talking about EAC, this is 4 straight points launched by Perpetual. And remember, it was actually Perpetual who won the first set of speed. De Andres to Perez. Check that time. Diana to the other side. That drops in. So they'll take it. Nice response from EAC. Kara Dayanan, whatever it takes to get the point.
Parang nabitin pa nga eh.
Nabitin. Talagang tama lang talaga yung pagkakalagay niya dun sa open spot.
Para sa kanya talaga yun.
Ooh! Yep, that's a painful service error.
No, very costly error para dito sa EAC, ano? And again, nakukuha nila yung mga, ibibigay nila yung mga point na yan sa kalaban nila whenever they're getting those runs.
Off speed hit. Almiñana, she is back in her groove. 5-point lead para sa Perpetual Lady Altas. Nothing seems to be working for EAC. 12 puntos para kay Sai. Razonable will be replaced here by Angelica Pasaol. 21-16. De Andres with a difficult first ball. Pasaol, instant offense off the bench. So they needed a change-up, a different flavor in the offense.
Oh, and this is Pasaol's first time coming into this game. And prior to the beginning of the game, na pag-usapan natin na ito si Pasaol, isa to sa mga parang magic bunot ni Coach Kirk na whenever kailangan niyang magbigay ng mga different looks on offense. Ito si Pasaol ang binubunot niya.
Back-to-back points for Pasaol. Oozing with confidence. Kahit galing sa bench.
Mapapasana all ka na lang.
Okay na.
Nasingit pa yun.
Pwede.
O, base ko na lang natin, ha? 5 ka? Ha? Back down. O, 5 muna, 5. Ay!
Mabilis na timeout mula kay Coach Sandy Reyeta. Again, they don't wanna lose out on their momentum here because it's slowly shifting to the side of VAC with the entry of Pasaol.
Oh. Pinaalalahanan lang. Pinaalalahanan niya lang yung mga girls na, alam niyo kung ano yung dapat ninyong gawin. Stick lang tayo dun sa sistema natin.
Yeah. Fifi. Almeñana. Tracked down by Dequilia. This is a free ball. Perpetual with a chance. Omipon had to stop. What a save by Perez. Pasaol the off speed. Omipon saves it. Almeñana. Overpass. Regalo para kay Charisse Enrico. (22-18). 7 points for the starting middle blocker ng Perpetual.
Basta lang muna. Ba't ba tayo natataranta? Laro lang. Sabi ko naman sa inyo eh. Basta kagad, anong sinabi ko sa iyo, Laki, pag takbo na kagad doon. Ma-ball check na. Maganda na, nakaka-ball check na tayo. Ito naman ang problema natin ngayon.
All right. Pasaol on your screens. Rookie out of Davao in Santo Niño High School. Recruit ni Cara Dayanan. Coach Kurt recognizing that, they're correcting things already on the court. Pero hindi consistent ang activity nila.
Kasi hindi naman sila makakuha nung dalawang panalo nila nang wala lang eh, di ba?
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin na i-address nila kung ano yung mga naging mistakes nila prior to the games they had 2 games ago. And parang medyo dun sa beginning ng set number 1 at saka itong set number 2 natin, medyo bumalik sila eh. Dun sa dati nilang habits eh na I don't know if because na-overwhelmed din siguro sila dun sa merong klaseng vibe dito sa gym ngayon. Dahil syempre, sobrang daming nanonood. Yung energy, sobrang taas.
Yeah.
Baka nang gigigil or baka na, yun nga, again, na-overwhelm sila dun sa pakiramdam, sa experience na meron sila ngayon.
Pwede. This is a young team when we're talking about us. Almeñana. Cross-court kill. A cut shot from Sai Almeñana.
Tapos itong Perpetual nagsa-thrive kapag ganito yung vibe sa mga gym. Kumbaga parang lalo silang nabubuhayan, lalo silang ginaganahan maglaro.
Pasaol visibly shaken up after that landing. Not a good sign for Perpetual. Set point na. Or for EAC rather, set point na itong Perpetual. Sai with a sharp serve. Over to Pasaol. That was a miss set coming from Tequila. And Perpetual will take the second set as well. They are ahead 2-0. And the Lady Autos are also a set away from the semifinals. Another emphatic win here in the second frame. We'll be back for our highlights and stats of set number 2.